How's it going, everybody? Tyler Schwartz here, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going over one of my favorite jig steps. It's one of the most beginner-friendly steps I know. If you're just starting Irish dancing, just learning it for the first time, very easy to pick up if you've just started Irish dancing. So it's a good place to start, but a good one at that. Without further ado, let's just jump into it. So we have our right foot and our left foot. We're gonna put our right foot in front of our left foot right there. We're gonna bring our knee up in front, and as we bring our knee up in front, we're gonna hop on our left foot. Okay, that's our first movement. 2, 3, and hop. We'll call that a knee, but we know that since we have two legs, two things are usually happening at one time. So as we go to the knee, we're also hopping. So those two things happen at the same time. We'll just call it a knee for now. Knee. Now we're gonna go hop with our left foot again. And as we do that, we're gonna bring our right leg back. And then we're gonna put that back foot down. So there's 3 movements there. Okay, we did our knee, hop, back. Yeah, 2, 3, and knee, hop, back. Again, 2, 3, and knee, hop, back. From behind would be 2, 3, and knee, hop, back. Now from there, our left foot's in front. We're gonna repeat that hop back, but on our left foot. Hop back. So we take that knee, hop, back. Now from here, we're gonna go hop, back. Again, 2, 3, and knee, hop, back, hop, back. All our weight shifts to our back foot, and we pick up our front foot and go 2, 3, 4. All right, again, 2 from the top, 2, 3, and knee, hop, back, 2, 3, 4. At the end of this piece, if I freeze frame right now, all my weight's on my right foot. I'm loosening up my back foot, my left foot, because I'm gonna bring that forward. So I want this leg to be free. Ready? 2, 3, and knee, hop, back, 2, 3, 4. And I'm gonna repeat all that on my left foot. Now I'm gonna hop on my right foot and knee with my left foot. Knee, hop, back, 2, 3, 4. Try that together. 2, 3, and knee, hop, back, 2, 3, 4. Knee, hop, back, 2, 3, 4. Pretty good. Again, one more time. 2, 3, and knee, hop, back, 2, 3, 4. Knee, hop, back, 2, 3, 4. Also, if this is moving too fast or too slow, you can always rewind it, or you can actually hit a playback setting in YouTube that allows you to play it either slower or faster. If I'm talking really slow, might be the Midwest in me, you can always speed me up in YouTube. It's always a really good feature that not many people know about, actually. So we did knee, hop, back, 2, 3, 4. Knee, hop, back, 2, 3, 4. Again, we're freeing up that back leg. Now we're just doing the back 2, 3, 4 next, but we're gonna bring it in front actually. We're gonna call it a front 2, 3, 4. So instead of going up to a knee, we're gonna go and front 2, 3, 4. Okay? And front 2, 3, 4. And then we're gonna bring it back, hop back 2, 3, 4. So ready, try that again. 2, 3, and front 2, 3, 4, and back 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, and hop front 2, 3, 4, hop back 2, 3, 4. And at the end of that, we're gonna free up that back leg again. Finale is kick, hop back, 2, 3, 4. That was like a 3D, whew, right at you. In the same way that we did the knee and we hopped on our back foot, we're gonna go hop. So we're gonna kick on our back foot as we hop. We're gonna hop as we kick. Kick, hop back, 2, 3, 4. Cool? So that whole thing all together is 2, 3, and knee, back, 2, 3, 4. Knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4. Hop front 2, 3, 4. Hop back 2, 3, 4. Kick, hop back, 2, 3, 4. All right, one more time to the front. 2, 3, and knee, hop back, 4. Knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4. Hop front 2, 3, 4. Back 2, 3, 4. And kick, hop back, 2, 3, 4. And you free up that back leg. If you wanted to repeat that, you would repeat the whole thing again on your left foot. So you bring up the knee, left, hop back, 2, 3, 4, and right, hop back, 2, 3, 4, hop left, 2, 3, 4, hop left, 2, 3, 4, kick with the left, hop back, 2, 3, 4. And that's the full step. Let's try that to music. 3, 2, 3, and 4, 2, 3, 5, and 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, and here we go. Knee. And left foot. All right, and that's the step. I hope you had fun with that. If you're still kind of figuring it out, you can always rewind and take the class all over again and learn it all again. I hope you had fun with it though. If you did and you learned anything from this video, please hit like. I would really appreciate that. Subscribe if you haven't. There'll be more fun videos like this dropped every week. I have a Patreon if you'd like to support me further. I have a merch shop if you'd like to pick up a fun shirt like this. All of it proceeds go back to this channel, allowing me to make more videos like this. Appreciate you. But yeah, I guess that's all for today. I'll see you all in the next video.